Look at this big boy in for a map today. This is a 2.2 diesel Ford Ranger and it is massive. It just about fits in this dyno cell. I think they're about 130 or 150 brake stock, this one. But we'll soon get a bit more power out of it. Look, it's like literally just inside the dyno cell. Well, let's get cracking. Let's get it strapped down. Using the CMD tool, the map file's been altered in Winols, so yeah, here we go. Flash it, do another run, see how we're getting on, make alterations as we go. So there we go, there's the improvement on the Ford Ranger. We've ended up with 300 foot-pound of torque and 162 brake, which is not a bad little gain there. That will certainly move that along. Yep, happy with that.
Light was pretty fast.